Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we are going to be discussing a very important aspect, career selection. Yes, you heard me right. Your future does not only depend upon how wisely you choose your career, but it is also the basis of your identity. Career selection depends upon these five aspects. Number one, interest. What field are you interested in? What do you want to become? Either you're good in arts, either you're good in cooking, either you're good in any other practical field. You have to choose your career on the basis of that. Number two, skills. If you have any prior skills, for example, you're good in baking, you're good in sketching. So you have to look for your skills and then follow your path. Next, of course, passion. Passion paves ways for your future. Of course, if you want to become a successful person, you have to become passionate. And for that, you have to maintain a work-life balance. In your university, make sure that you practice several internships, whether they're paid or non-paid, so you get a sound opportunity and a sound experience for your future job. Next, you have to be honest with yourself and you have to follow your path and work immensely hard. All of you might be having a sound research on medical fields and engineering fields. So, today I'm going to be talking about a field which has thousands of competitors. Of course, bachelor's in computer science and information technology. Let's go. So, in as long as the introduction is concerned, use of IT and AI is in every field, in hospitals, to monitor patient care, to monitor the patient's situation using sensors, etc., or maintaining a record of the patient, his history, his past history. For instance, if he has any disease and stuff like that. And according to record keeping, we have databases in banks, in schools. Of course, the record of each and every student, each and every customer has to be maintained. Number two, we have software dependency. We all depend upon software, computers, etc. For example, if you want to set up a business, so for example, you're setting up a clothing brand. So for that, you have to be a software dependent. How? You have to maintain a website. You have to maintain online pages, which makes it easy for the people to interact with you no matter where you are. Third, last but not the least, the world has become a global village. You can easily talk to your friend sitting miles away within seconds, no matter what. Everything can be accessed within seconds. Let's go. Let's talk about the fields of computer sciences. We have data sciences, developing, artificial intelligence, graphic designing, software engineering, computer architecture, computational biology, human computer interaction, and cybersecurity. Computer sciences is not just limited to programming, it has multiple fields for you to look upon. First, data sciences, study of extracting insights and knowledge from data through various techniques and methodologies. They play a crucial role in decision-making processes. Data sciences involves using data to understand and solve problems. It's about finding patterns, useful information in large amounts of data. Moreover, data scientists use techniques like statistics and computer programming to analyze data and make predictions. Healthcare, finance, and marketing to improve decision making and develop innovative solutions. For example, you are working in a pizza shop and you want to know how much ratio of people like pepperoni pizza, they like fajita, etc. So you make a chart and you study the analysis and you study the data patterns. How many orders of fajita did you get this week? How many orders of pepperoni pizza did you get this week? And you calculate the ratio. Data sciences field is relevant to that. You monitor the data of several companies and make a decision. For instance, which one is preferable? If people are interested more in the fajita flavor, so you will be selling fajita more because people like it more. So yes, data science deals with the study and manipulation of data based upon different charts and different statistics. What is more likely to be favored? Next, let's move on to the next field. So we have programming, of course, coding. Now, programming involves writing instructions for computers to perform tasks. Of course, our computer does not understand what we use to convey our message. For example, it does not understand English like words. It does not understand mathematical symbols. It does not understand other scientific terms. So it only understands binary, which is zeros and ones. So programming is basically translating and giving your instructions to the computer in their own language. So there are certain high-level languages programs that are preferred, such as Python, Java, C++, which are used to create applications, websites, and systems. In today's world, the scope of programming is immense. It is not just limited to software automation, but with the rise of technology, they are highly sought after across various industries from finance to healthcare, whether it's building mobile apps, designing algorithms, or automating repetitive tasks. Programming plays a critical role in driving innovation and powering the digital age. Now, if you want to build a robot that follows your instructions, so you have to program it. You have to write the specific code. You have to give it certain instructions that it translates into its own language. Next, if you want to create a software, if you want to build up websites, if you want to build up communities, you have to um, write down proper codes. Coding involves following set of rules. Python might have different rules for programming. Java has different rules. C++ has different rules. So you have to study all of the rules of these high-level language programs to easily code your tasks to the computer. Next, we have artificial intelligence, also commonly known as AI. AI involves simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, for example, performing tasks such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. It is used to create systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI techniques such as machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing enable computers to analyze large data sets, making decisions and solving complex problems. Now, for instance, you want to give your instruction to your robot or your computer that has been designed by, of course, a programmer. So, this is known as artificial intelligence. For instance, um, humans, the intelligence that we comprise, transferring that into robots. That is known as machine simulation, computer simulation. So, if you want your robot to think alike, and if you want to talk to them or share your feelings with them, or if you want them to perform a specific task, this is very easy. You just have to with the help of AI, in the field of AI, you basically construct human assisting robots, whether they are in the form of softwares installed in your mobiles, installed in your laptops, or they are in the form of proper human looking robots. Of course, you heard me right. Robotics is also a part of artificial intelligence. Let's move on to the next aspect of CS, which is graphic designing. And it is also favored by many of us. So, Here we are. Graphic design is the art and practice of visually communicating ideas, concepts, and information. It involves combining typography, imagery, color, and layout to create visual compositions that convey a specific message or evoke a particular response. Graphic designers utilize various tools and software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign to create designs for print, digital media, branding, advertisement, and more. It encompasses a wide range of mediums, including posters, advertisements, logos, websites, and packaging. Ultimately, graphic design plays a crucial role in shaping how we perceive and interact with the world around us, influencing our decisions and emotions through effective visual communication. Now, if you explain graphic designing, it can be termed as shaping or the creativity in real life aspects. For example, if you want to create a very intellectual poster, a very communicating poster that a person can easily understand, um, using computers, graphic designing is used. You can apply different logos, you can apply different colors and color schemes, etc., just to make it vibrant and so people can easily understand what that specific poster wants to convey. For this, there are different tools such as Adobe, Photoshop, InDesign. The very common example of graphic designing tool is the the posters that you see on the screens that are placed outside in communities, etc. Let's move forward to software engineering. Everybody must be very familiar to SE. Software engineering is a discipline that involves designing, building, and maintaining software systems. It encompasses various methodologies, tools, and techniques to develop high quality software that meets specific requirements and standards. Software engineers help to apply principles of computer science, mathematics, project management to analyze user needs, design software solutions, write code, test functionality, and deploy applications. The field covers a broad spectrum of activities, including requirements engineering, software architecture, coding, testing, and maintenance. Software engineering is crucial in creating reliable, scalable, and efficient software products that power modern technologies and drive innovations across industries. Now, basically, software construction is depending upon the software engineering. If you want to create high maintenance softwares in order to run into industries, hospitals, etc., you are supposed to apply for the field of software engineering. Again, that is composed of coding, programming. It involves computer sciences and the mix up of developing, etc., mathematics, project management, and there are different other subjects that leads to software engineering. Next, we have a very important field, computer architecture, which is the study of the design and organization of computer systems. It involves understanding of how hardware components such as processors, memory modules, input output devices interact to execute instructions and process data. Basically, computer architecture is the study of the hardware. You study about the computer hardware, how CPU works, how the registers in the computers are functional, how buses in the computers are functional, and how they are designed to interact with each other. Next, the field that we're going to be discussing is cybersecurity. Of course, everybody's familiar. In the world of AI, whether it is beneficial or not, there are drawbacks too. People get manipulated with AI, their privacy is hindered. Let's talk about cybersecurity, which is a solution for that. It is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, data from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and data breaches. It encompasses various techniques, technologies, and processes designed to safeguard digital assets and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Professionals employ strategies such as encryption, firewall, intrusion detection systems, and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate the security threats. And so, cybersecurity basically deals with the protection of data in your computer systems. Unauthorized access means hacking, viruses, etc., cyber attacks, which can manipulate your privacy and your personal identity can be exposed all over the internet. Data breaches and various techniques are used to protect the data confidentiality. For example, there are strong systems of data detection systems and vulnerability assessments. First of all, there are encryption methods, firewalls. Encryption includes the coding of data when it is transferred of one computer to another in a way which is not understood by any of the hacker. For instance, if you want to transfer a very confidential email from one computer to another, you have to be very vigilant with that. How? First, you translate that email into an unknown key, the primary key, which is with the sender, and that key is transferred to the secondary computer, which unlocks the coded version of your email. So if your account gets hacked, the hacker won't be able to make sense of that. So cybersecurity basically deals with the security that is associated with the software development. ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It's a broad field that encompasses the use of technology to manage and process information as well as facilitate communication. This includes hardware, software, networks, and telecommunication systems. ICT professionals work on developing, implementing, and managing various technologies to support businesses, organizations, and individuals in accessing, storing, and sharing information efficiently. The field covers areas such as computer systems, internet technologies, telecommunications, digital media, and cybersecurity. Essentially, ICT plays a crucial role in enabling connectivity, collaboration, and innovation in the digital age. Now, ICT basically deals with everything. Everything, as in cybersecurity, yes. In telecommunication systems, yes. For your applications that you use on daily basis, for instance, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, etc., are the projects of ICT. Now let's discuss the universities offering computer sciences programs all over Lahore: GCU, Punjab University, Canard, LCW, UET, FAST, ComSats, UCP, UMT, University of Lahore, and ITU, Information Technology University. So there are over thousands of universities all across Pakistan that offer CS programs. Let's talk about the basic semester subjects in a typical computer science field. Let me clear out one thing. Computer sciences deals with everything. It includes ICT, AI, graphic designing, etc. It is a whole of these mini sections. So first, in the semester one, we have introduction to ICT. We have labs, discrete structure, probability and statistics, English, and applied physics. In second semester, we have digital and logic design, digital and logic design lab. It includes all the gates and or not the switches, etc., which we have studied in the early classes. We have Islamic studies, communication and presentation skills, linear algebra, Pakistan Studies, Programming Fundamentals Lab, and Math Deficiency 2. Next, we have semester 4. We have, oh, I am missing out on one slide. The semester 3, Computer Organization and Assembly Language, Introduction to Economics, Object-Oriented Programming, Calculus, and Analytical Geometry, Professional Practices. Professional practices include your practices in the fields that you're working on. Next, semester 5, we have psychology, which is quite interesting. We have calculus, theory of automata, software engineering is also included, and data structures and algorithms. So CS basically covers a wide range of information and wide range of fields. Next, we have semester 6, computer networks, parallel and distributed computing, enterprise application development, mobile application development, and AI. So CS is offering variety. You can even learn how to create a mobile application. Next, we have in the seventh semester numerical computing, software project management, software quality assurance, technical and business writing. And we have principle of management, Arabic language, information security, theory of programming language, social services, etc. So, thank you so much for watching. Alongside, I hope this video helps you all in choosing your career wisely. I hope you all find your desired careers. I wish you all the best. And yes, always follow your passion because that is what leads towards your success. Thank you.